As
Tell you this one
nice.
then. Eh,
What's
you
one?
you know the record.
You know the record?
Hmm. Yeah, good look at that. So, so hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Daybreak. We just wake up. We are currently in Burkina Faso. For me, I couldn't sleep because the place is hot.
Very hot.
See my eyes, and red. Were you able to sleep?
Ah, you know what? I have to wet this shirt
Eh?
and put it on my body,
Before you were able
like
to.
as a cooler.
Ah, I'm beginning to
Uh,
like Burkina Faso.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but Charlie, the
Like,
heat alone. Me, my problem with the heat. Yeah, so I'm just hoping that I'll cope. We will be able to cope with the weather. Yeah. So this trip has actually been stressful from day one because this is our first time traveling outside Ghana, probably
to Burkina.
to Burkina Faso. Yeah. So we didn't know we were supposed to get one or two things, and due to that, we went through some stressful processes. We were supposed to get yellow card, right?
Yellow card.
And then yellow card at around 10,
Yellow fever card.
yellow fever card around 10. Was it Monday or was
That
it
was
Tuesday or when? No,
Tuesday.
Tuesday dawn.
Tuesday.
Tuesday around 10 p.m.
PM. Yeah. That's when we started.
That we
process
started
for
the processing for
yellow
yellow
card.
card. Yeah. And the amount, I don't want to disclose it. Ghana, Z.
Where is the card?
Mine is in my hotel.
Okay.
Where's yours?
Yellow card.
This yellow card, this small yellow card, it a cost. It a cost.
Where is it? Yellow fever card.
Yeah, yellow fever card.
So anybody that is traveling outside Ghana, we're going to either Burkina, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, or any other part of the world. You need to have access to this card. You need to get one. If not, you might be bounced at the
Borders.
immigration side or the borders. Yeah, so you need to get this.
Yeah, yeah,
Very important.
yeah. Thank you for educating.
Yeah.
So this trip has been has been enjoyable, but also much stressful because ah
The
STC
checking up on checking.
check as we were STC we were when we booked the tickets we were told to report around 1.
Around one, and then we'll be departing around two.
And then when we got there we we set up around 4,
Yeah, four.
and then along the way
Programs upon programs. I know STC to be one of the safest transport
services.
systems in Ghana, but I don't know what's happening. We had a lot of problem with the trip a lot with STC, so we spent 24 hours to get
To Burkina
Bogatanga. Bogatanga,
24
yes.
hours to get to Bogatanga.
24 hours from Accra.
Our tie got busted on the way like twice.
Twice, yeah. That was serious.
I
You need to
didn't-
do something about it.
I didn't-
STC Ghana. Do something about that.
Had it not been that, like we would have reached here like 1.5 day, right?
Yeah, 1.5 days. So
Yeah.
it took us 2 days to
So I think Paga
Yeah.
is even closer to Burkina Faso.
Yeah, Yeah, it's
Burkina
closer.
Faso is
Yeah,
closer.
from
It's not that.
just
Because looking
inside
at-
the border town.
Yeah, looking at the time we
Burkina.
got there and
Yeah,
the
yeah.
time we entered Burkina Faso, yeah.
Mm.
So when you get to Paga there, you can even ride on a motorbike. I think so.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you are, if you are wild, you can do that.
Just at the road at night. I would not advise anybody to travel on from Paga to Burkina
Burkina
Faso
Faso.
at night alone. Nah, it's not safe.
The place is dark.
There's no light.
The road is
There's no
dark.
street light. Very dark. So yeah, it's stressful, but
We are here. We are finally here. So we are grateful to God. Like if you haven't traveled, you won't get this experience. You have to, it's good to travel to get all these experiences. Well, because when we get to the border, we were going through series of checks upon checks. I was like, wow, it got to a point I was fed up. Hey, every you move little, no, then you
Check.
have the bus has to stop for a check to go through.
I think the because of the military region in Burkina, everything is the security wise is very tight. Yeah, it's very tight. Even the places that are remote, the militaries are there checking out things. That's one of the things that like most of the other African countries to emulate.
Yeah,
It's to help because this is a military region and like the security is
very
very
tight,
tight. I
very
like
tight.
that, but it's stressful.
Yeah, it's
But
stressful,
it's
but
good.
it's good.
Africa, we need that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, sure.
Africa,
We need that.
we need a
Yes.
lot of this kind of military regime, military rule, and all that to progress. Because Africa, we are not disciplined at all. So
Are you sure?
Burkina,
Are you sure we all need a military?
not necessarily military, but we have to. We need to be disciplined. Like
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah,
have to. That should be our first priority. If
yeah,
we are disciplined, I think everything will be okay. Like Africa will be one of the one of the best continents.
yeah.
And so far, Africa is one of the best continents.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
also hoping that one day we will all become one, so that
Sure.
traveling to one
U-
African country wouldn't be that stressful.
United
Yeah,
Africa.
because if I'm coming from one African country to another, it shouldn't be that stressful. Yeah, I should be able to go through easily.
Easily.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Because
but it's all
from
good. It's all good. It's for the good of our, I mean, security.
yeah.
Yeah, it's all good.
So from the Ghana border to the Burkina. Yeah. So from the Burkina border, the security is
It's tight. It's great.
very,
It's really tight.
very it's
Really
good.
tight. Yeah.
It's good. Yeah.
But I enjoyed the trip though. But it was long.
And
I
stressful,
enjoyed the
but
trip.
enjoyable.
And here we are. We are in Burkina Faso. We are finally arrived here. We've waked up in the morning waiting for our client to pick us up, and then we will start making rounds. We are going to be keeping you updated on the stuff you're going to do. Yeah. So we are purposely here because Van Water Production has been invited to come to Burkina Faso by a client to do installation of the machines. So stay tuned to this channel wherever you are. We can help you get these machines run right
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
this client purchased this machine from us. So
from us. So
so yeah, anytime, anywhere you are, we can deliver, even outside Africa.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
If you
yeah,
want to, if you want to install,
yeah,
you
outside
know,
Africa.
yeah,
So one thing I want, if you are traveling, let's say from Ghana or to any other African countries that speak French or any other languages,
yeah.
I would entreat everybody to be friendly with the
Try to,
people.
yeah.
If not,
And then
if not,
try to learn
yeah,
other
yeah,
language.
yeah,
Me
try to
right now,
learn.
I'm going to try to learn French because
Definitely,
but
definitely.
language barrier. I've been writing about language barrier way back in school, but now I've experienced it practically in the head. Like you're speaking to someone, the person doesn't solely understand what you're trying to
Nothing,
mean.
anything. It's bad. It's
It's
just a bad
hectic.
feeling. Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
bad
So
feeling. Yeah.
yeah, it's a bad feeling. So I have to use my smartphone. I have to type and do some kind of audio. That's stressful. So everybody should
Yeah.
be able to, like, at least when you go to those factories, just be friendly with them.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we have to learn other languages like French. Very
Charlie,
important. And
yeah. Before that, I want to thank Richard and Mr. Mamudu. They are so kind. When we got here, we were in a way stranded. Yeah. But Richard had already booked a hotel for us, and we just picked a taxi, and then he drove us to our hotel, and then he also paid for the fare of the taxi. Oh, this is an amazing guy. This is an amazing guy. Right?
they're very cool.
Yeah, I was shocked.
The
Yeah,
good
he's
customer
a
care.
very
Like
good customer.
he's a very
Yeah,
good customer.
yeah. I
Very
like
good
him.
customer.
I like
Yeah,
them.
sure.
Yeah.
They're very good. Yeah.
Anytime they call us, we're gonna be at their service. Yeah, sure.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
So we are going
right?
to be
So
so this morning. We are yet to explore the food and the kind of food that is being eaten
mhm,
most in Burkina Faso. Yeah. So when we
same.
go out, I
Yeah.
think we try one of two foods and we will let you know. You know.
Yesterday I tried kebab.
Ah, the kebab. Are you sure it was goat meat?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, it was
My guy
a
has
goat
chewed
meat.
something. Oh, my guy,
It
my
was a
guy,
goat meat.
my
Yeah,
guy has
goat
eaten
meat. Yeah,
something.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Goat meat.
goat. Did you sense that goat
Yeah, yeah. So
flavor?
goats when the taste is
Oh, okay. But the way
yeah,
they've cut it is very
yeah, yeah,
tiny. In
very very
Ghana, there
small,
is big
and
as
that
small.
is I think one will be around 100. Yeah, this is it. I
Yeah,
think 100
we
CFA or so.
100 safe. Okay. Ah,
And
now,
that 100 francs.
yeah,
Yeah,
eh,
100. I think 100
safer.
or safer. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is because
this is able to buy
I
one kebab.
I gave him
Let me see.
5,000.
Any? Yeah, okay.
I gave him five
100
thousand,
pounds.
and then he gave me a change of 4,500 for five. I bought five,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
so I
So
think one
100.
is
This
hundred
is one of this
percent.
is able to buy kebab.
Yeah, one of
Oh,
this.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
cool. Yeah, and
one
one
of them.
thing is also that when you get to the border, you have to change money,
Mhm.
and changing the money alone was stressful because I'm not familiar with the currency,
You don't know if it's the
and
fake, counterfeit, or original.
and you
So
don't know whether the
yeah.
rate they are giving you
Mhm.
is the right rate
Wait.
or so. Richard arranged for all this, so we met a guy who gave us a very good rate, so we changed, and for me, I was totally confused about the money. And even as at I'm yet to get familiar with it.
Yeah, yeah,
Then
yeah.
10,000 safer, 20,000.
Like I said, when you get to the border, try to be friendly, but no, don't lose it.
Yeah,
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 don't lose. Just to be friendly,
yeah,
and because the guys, yeah, they help us get a new SIM.
yeah. They did
Have
good.
to get a yellow SIM or
Telecel, it's
Telecel. They
Telecel or
have
something.
ITEL. They have the orange. The orange or the orange is the MTN.
Yeah, MTN,
Yeah,
MTN, yeah.
MTN is called orange
Orange
here.
here,
Yeah,
and then
orange.
Telecel is
Yeah, it's just
this is
Telecel
Telecel,
and the
but
ITEL.
data is expensive.
Data is very very
I think
expensive.
one
1 gig.
SIM and 3 gig
Yeah,
data
yeah,
we paid
it's
like
we
five
pay five
thousand
thousand
safer,
safer. Yeah,
and that
for
one
one
we are
SIM
able to use it
and three.
for 1 week.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, that one
Depending.
cries, so it's not
Yeah, yeah,
guaranteed
yeah,
because
yes.
depending on how you're going to be pressing your phone and
Mm-hmm,
doing search.
mm-hmm,
So,
mm-hmm. What you
so
do
guys,
with your phone.
we're going to be bringing you more from Burkina Faso. So we are very happy to be here. Do you have any other thing to say?
Oh, now we
Uh,
will bring you
yeah,
more
so we are going to
videos. Yeah,
find something. Breakfast. Are you a breakfast type?
yeah. I do breakfast.
Okay,
I do
all
breakfast,
right.
but I mean my breakfast is just if I
Heavy food.
banku kenke watch it. African boy.
Yeah,
We
watch it in the
don't.
morning, Banku.
Oh,
Oh,
anything
Charlie.
goes.
All right, guys. So
Anything goes.
see you,
Yeah,
see you, see you, see you. We'll be updating you on our movement. All right, in
sure.
Burkina Faso. See you.
All right.